Still, the oligarchs appeared to accumulate other motives by World War I. After buying out the major newspapers, the eugenics folks put out much propaganda and put much pressure on President Woodrow Wilson's administration to enter the First World War in 1917. When the government entered the war and implemented the draft that year, the eugenics-minded oligarchs used the opportunity to test 1 to 2 dozen experimental vaccines on the soldiers. These vaccines were created by the Rockefeller Institute for Medical Research. A one-time reporter who lived through the 1918 epidemic, Eleanor McBean, Ph.D., wrote about it extensively in several books. McBean claimed that the influenza wasn't a flu started in Spain, as the racist eugenics folks pushed, but actually a reaction to the vast amounts of vaccines the Rockefeller Institute used to experiment on millions of American and European soldiers. Dr. McBean presented how
the report of the Surgeon General of the Army, 1919, Volume 1, page 37, gives the number of admissions to hospitals during the year 1918, on account of vaccinia, vaccination disease, as 10,830. The report of 1918 gave the number as 19,608 during 1917. This does not take into account the thousands who were seriously ill but not critical enough to be hospitalized.
In another book,